Nothing launched the CMF Phone 2 Pro in April of last year, and its successor is still nowhere to be seen. Last month we heard that the CMF Phone 3 Pro would arrive in the third quarter of the year, with the most likely release window being August to September. Unfortunately, that's not happening anymore. Nothing co-founder Akis Evangelidis has revealed that there will be no CMF phone launch this year. The reason is easy to guess: memory prices. That's not surprising. After all, the CMF line was the ultra-budget one from Nothing, and the cheaper the phone, the more it's negatively impacted by surging memory prices. Evangelidis says the company simply can't build a phone that feels like a genuine step forward at a price that makes sense for CMF. While there will be no new CMF phone this year, several new products are coming from the brand, including some in entirely new categories. Evangelidis has also teased a new Nothing phone coming soon. Could it be the Phone 4? We'll have to wait and see. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.